Muddy mixes, they tell you need a mixing engineer. Don't believe them, because you can take a track sounding like this and then make it sound like this. And you can achieve this by following 4 basic principles. And let me show you how to do it in real time. Hop in. So what I'm going to do first, actually group this one as an alt and duplicate everything. So we can easily do before and after. Turn this off. If you take a look at our charts, the first thing you have to do, amplitude, the faders. The faders will be the single most significant effect on your tracks. And you have to get them right before doing any advanced stuff. Let's go back. Listen here. Always consider this. What are the elements that I want them to be in the front, and what are the elements I wouldn't mind staying in the behind? For me, the hero is this piano roll. Give the M3 a bit more body. Right? This is my hero. I want this to be in the front. That's it. Bring that down. Let's take a look at those drums. I like to balance them together first before I balance them all together. So I'm gonna think about again the same idea. What are my heroes in my drums? Claps. This one? Background, right? Main hat, bring it down a little bit, it's already too low. Like this. We have a small percussion hit here. And let's listen with the kick. Like that. Let's listen now together with the piano. Balance the drums a bit more. You see what we are doing? We are balancing the groups and we are balancing the oral structure together, one by one. Let's go for the synths now. Let's start with the ambience because always ambience should be in the background. Now, again, it says ambience over here, but this is a hero. This has to be in the front. There's like this vocal chops that really adds the character. Right, just playing with the faders, nothing else. Let's A-B so that you can hear. Immediately, we have more a direction, an idea to a presentation here compared to the previous that we had. Now the second one, and this is the part everybody fails, is the spatial effects. The rooms, the tails, the reverbs, the delays, they are the #1 source of the muddiness most of the mixes. If you're enjoying the video up to now, please consider like and subscribe and comment below. It is the only feedback that I have. And here we have a lot of reverbs and delays going on all the time. We have this. I'm gonna straight ahead remove that delay here. and bring down delay. But I'm not gonna just do that way. I'm gonna move this to return because a lot of sounds over here goes to the same space. Rather than trying to figure out in each channels, I can then just send stuff over there and then later shape it the way I want it. I'm gonna just make it the 100% so that I can decide how much reverb I'm gonna have it in sound. Right? Remember, reverb is now additive. Our original sound stays the same and reverb is added top of that. When you do it in the channel, when you add the reverb, actually the volumes goes down. So you have to balance the overall volumes when you are doing the reverbs that way. So let's go. I feel the same thing on the... Let's get the delay this time as a channel. The same idea, right? We can send it there 100% and we can actually filter them the way we want. We have individual reverb over here. Again, send a bit there. 4. Let's take a look at those drums. We have a room reverb over here. It's very muddy, meaning that it's a long tail. I'm going to insert another channel and put the Pro R there. You can use any reverb that you want. Make first it smaller. Small bright room, something like this. Solo. Right? Individual channels are fine. Take a look at the ambience one more time. There's another. This is literally unnecessary because the sustain sound and delay won't do much because the sustain sound already has like occupying all the space, lays on top. You won't even be able to perceive it. I'm gonna give a sidechain to this. You can consider this as a kind of a tail. Let's A-B one more time now. Volume down a bit so it's more similar volumes. Do you see two things? We did literally two things. It was very straightforward. Get the volumes right, get the tails right, and immediately we have much more focused and less muddy mix presenting itself. That's simple. We are not done yet. This is the part people obsess with EQing. EQing should be really obvious. You shouldn't be looking around to EQ stuff, right? In this case, I can hear it immediately. Like, listen here. I have a lot of stuff and this is very mid. I have a lot of things going on in the mid area. Do this. Use it like an air synth as it should be. Right? And then I'm gonna actually remove, there's a Valhalla here too. Let's remove that. And then put a duck on top. Like that, right? Now, other thing, if you listen to this, occupy this mask, this one, doesn't it? I'm gonna cut this highs a bit and let it give the warmth, but don't like muddy pianos. Pianos are playing all the time almost as well. You can do like this. right? Gentle. Okay, then we have this. The good thing, this synth we did here already actually acts like this, right? It's cutting. But here, I'm gonna air it up. Also give a bit here. Again. Now I'm hearing the kick. The kicks need a bit of top layer. Now you can layer it, but for now I'm just gonna EQ it because I think EQ may be very much enough for this. I'm gonna just I'm gonna play together because that's what matters. This is absolutely terrible looking kick, but I'm not gonna go for the kick anatomy. I have another video over here. Take a look at that one. We can just be okay with the one that we have. I'm looking at the sub now, sub and kick. We have a lot of things going on here, so sub should be something like this probably. Yes. They can before and after. It started to become like a day and night difference, and if you play them each one after each other, people will think that you spend hundreds of euros just to get this clarity, right? Clarity. But we are not done yet. We are up to final one, and this one is the more advanced one, and people actually get obsessed here before even understanding first three steps. And this is actually the dynamics, where you can make the mix more dynamically wrapping around each other. How to do that? There are a simple couple of ways to do it. The first one will be actually the tails. I'm gonna start with adding compression here. And actually sidechain it the kick. So first what I want, the tails reacting to kick. Right? This is subtle, but this makes everything glued together and cleans up everything around the kick. I'm gonna duplicate the echo. I'm not gonna touch the drums because this is a small reverb. Then we're gonna focus on again the lead sounds. In this case, the piano. When the piano hits, I actually want to open up the space in my ambience area. These two are my ambiences in this case. Right? When the piano hits, I'm going to open up a space. Many ways to do it. Spectral sidechain. And in this case, I'm going to use suit because this is the simplest way to explain and understand too. This says, okay, I'm going to listen to my pianos. And when the piano hits, I'm going to hit these frequencies. I'm going to duck the frequencies from this chain. I want to mostly focus on the high end because this provides the warmth in the track. When this type of spatial sidechain is done nicely, you shouldn't even realize it is happening. Right? Right? And the other one is actually this. I'm going to duplicate. This time I'm going to listen from 34. I'm going to keep it more subtle, this one. Together. Now, here comes the transient. Once you want the things pop a little bit, you can actually add a bit transient to the sound, where the sounds has to be popping. I'm gonna go here, perky. This area, it has a lot of body. I'm gonna just like do something. Right? Alto is fine for now. The controls again. Okay, there's one thing that I can actually do. I'm gonna grab this, and this, I think. Yeah. And probably this, too. We're gonna group them together. This percussive group, I want to actually have them a bit more transient popping. I'm gonna use Vanguard here simply because of the reason this smack. Smack will saturate the initial attack of the sound. So initial attack of the sound will get more obvious. We're gonna go for the hot. This will be much harder. We're not gonna use the compression at all. We are really interested in that smack functionality. Do you hear it? That initial boop boop just gives a bit edge together. This is a bit loud, actually I'm gonna bring down. Good, together. Okay, let's volume down a little bit more so that we can have again similar loudness previous and after. Let's do an A-B now. See, we still have a lot of ambience. It's not that we removed all the ambience, but we made it that ambience stays as an ambience, and the lead, the story, the hero comes forward and tells their story more cleanly. You want to tell your stories more cleanly? Check out here. I have more videos over here.